Welcome to this lesson by Read Click Done, the 21st century training that only takes 5 minutes of your time. This lesson solves one of the greatest mysteries of using a computer. Usually, the files end up like the missing socks and the dryer mystery. When a file is downloaded from the internet or from an email, where does it go? Well, let's take out the mystery and create one place to download internet files, save files from an email, or have copies of files. So what's the solution? We will create a folder on the computer desktop and save our downloads to that folder all the time. By making a folder on the desktop, we create a central location to know where to save our files and find them again. Just like putting your car keys in the same spot on the dresser at home, we also have the benefit of being able to find that file at any time and send it to others or to copy it. Okay, the first thing is to create a folder on the computer desktop. This is a typical looking desktop. It has the Start button in the lower left corner, the Recycle bin, and usually a few other folders already in place. Don't worry if your background picture is different. Usually the kids or grandkids are changing them on us. This is the desktop, regardless of the background picture. Now take your mouse and right mouse click on a blank area of the desktop. Be sure to use the right mouse button. This is the menu option window that will open when you have right-clicked on a blank area of the desktop. We want the menu option that is marked as New. Take your cursor and roll over the word New. A new sub-menu window will appear. Now we will just use the regular left mouse click on the word Folder. Once you click on the word Folder, a brand new folder should appear on the desktop. The trick is to use the right click and then the left mouse click. Don't worry if you didn't get the same results. You can replay the video and hit the pause button as many times as you want. And you can always print out the lesson from the PDF file. Now, while the folder is sitting there, we can type in a name for it, like Downloads. Type the word Downloads and hit the Enter key. That's all there is to it. We now have our one spot to put our downloads, files, and copies. Now we will show you how to save files to our new folder. This is what a typical window will look like when we want to save a file. This is where we will tell the computer to go save our files to our download folder. Our download folder is on the desktop, so we need to go to the desktop first. Click on the desktop choice here on the left side of the window. Or we can use the top drop-down list. It doesn't matter which way you choose to get there, just as long as you get to the desktop. Now we are at the desktop. We can tell because the top drop-down box says it, and look, there's our download folder. We will double left mouse click on the download folder to tell the computer, "Hey, put my stuff in here." Here is the box where we can change the name of the file before we save it to the download folder. Name it something that you can remember. Now we have saved our files to a central location, making it easy to remember where the files or programs are saved. And when we want to, we can go get the file to copy it or send it to someone else. You can replay the video and hit the pause button as many times as you want. And you can always print out the lesson from the PDF file. Thanks for watching this lesson by Read Click Done, the 21st century training that only takes 5 minutes of your time to learn real skills.